Jamie prima Yangzhou。
扬州，您现在讲是个人。
我家了还扬州。
I love 扬州。
我们在扬州。
Hello Yangzhou, I am Muhammad Usman Ghani. I am from Pakistan. I was graduated from Hubei University of Chinese Medicine and I am teaching biology here in Yangzhou High School. Let me show you around how my life is in Yangzhou.
这位外教老师叫王宁，来自巴基斯坦，跟大部分外教不一样的是，他教的呢并不是英语，而是生物。而这个呢，也跟他在中国的教育经历密切相关。
My father saw the ad in the newspaper, so he called me, and then he said like it's in China, some medical college. So do you want to go? And I said okay, I will go there.
2005年，王宁告别家乡，来到万里之外的中国。从湖北中医药大学毕业之后，王宁选择了留在中国教书。去年的时候，王宁来到扬州。在扬州中美高中课程实验班担任生物老师。
I'm really very happy here because students are really very nice. They are cooperative. Their English is good, and apart from that, my colleagues are very good. So luckily, people are very nice here. So I really like working in Yangzhou.
王宁说的，他的家境在巴基斯坦是非常优越的。从小在双语环境下成长，而家庭严格的要求也养成了他认真对待一切事情的习惯。对于高中生物课程，医学专业毕业的王宁也丝毫没有懈怠。每次上课前，他都会花上好几个钟头子进行备课。对待工作的认真态度也获得了学生们的好评。
我觉得王老师上课非常认真，非常的幽默。然后，因为他之前学的是医学，然后他在给我们上生物课的时候，经常会拓展到一些医学的专业知识，然后对于我们了解人体这方面是非常有益处的。
我也经常会有一些生活上的或者烦恼啊，都会向他去
请教。
对，请教。
One amino acid, two amino acid, third one, fourth.
人们常说台上1分钟，台下10年功。如今在讲台上驾轻就熟的王宁，在一开始当老师的时候，也遇到过很大的困扰。而这个并不是源于他的学识，是源于一个看似不是问题的问题——口音。
People know that Pakistani accent is a little bit thick. So what happened when I was teaching in few schools? So students complained about my accent. They always said that Wang Ning is a good teacher, but his accent is very thick. So then I realized that I should work on this. So then I talked with a teacher from Los Angeles, Miss Lisa Moisen. So she taught me how to reduce my accent. So
王宁说的，虽然语言的沟通可能存在障碍，但是只要双方能够真诚以对，就一定能够构筑起牢不可破的友谊。这一点，作为巴基斯坦人的王宁感触尤其深刻。
From the beginning, when first time I came to know about China and Pakistan friendship, it was in our book. There was whole chapter about China. So from there, I came to know that we are a good friend of China.